Hi guys, thanks for checking out this site. It's 4 ads in a day, and today we're going to make 4 complete ads. I've been a graphic designer for the last 7 years and a lead designer for the last 5, and for this job we're going to do 4 ads in a series. It's going to go in a magazine for 4 months, and each month it's going to be a different ad. Pretty much the same theme, just a completely different picture and some different content in there. We're going to jump right in there pretty soon, but I just want to welcome you all to the class, and thanks for checking out. Before you get started, this is geared towards someone that has a very basic knowledge of Photoshop and Illustrator. So if you know nothing about Photoshop and Illustrator, this is probably not the class for you. But if you are a beginning student, or if you've been using Photoshop for the last couple months and want to start making an ad, this is definitely the site for you. Alright, we'll get started pretty soon, and thanks again for joining me.